Here I have POCO C50, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So firstly you have to go to the upper bar and find here the button DND, which stands for Do Not Disturb. So by tapping on it once you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings. For example, you can also switch it here. You can enable it when device is locked. You can notify about calls from anyone, from contacts only, from shared contacts only. You can also notify about repeated calls, ring or vibrate while receiving the second call from the same contact within 15 minutes. And you can also set up a schedule for this mode, like you can set up its name, start time, end time, and also you can select on which days it will repeat. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.